This is pretty cool. Smoky Mountains. That's Atlanta over there, but you can't see it, obviously. But Atlanta is that direction. That's why I'm up here. Jack's Knob. There's the top of Georgia. Wonder who that belongs to. It says no horses. Hunters identify your target and what's behind it. I didn't know you could hike up here. Hike. I didn't know you could hunt. Although black bears rarely attack, they're very powerful animals and are capable of injuring or killing humans. These steps may be helpful. Don't run. Face the bear, but don't look directly in its eyes. Makes yourself look bigger by waving. Make a wide detour or leave the area. Let's go find one. It's wild how thick the brush is. Check out those little bulbs. See 'em? It's like the briar patch. Wow. Look at that. There's something. Come on. Come here. I have a gun. Might have just been a bird. Just stay close to me. I was worried about that. Something living right there. It might have been a deer. But it's not making any noise. So stop breathing and be quiet. Not making noise. If it was a bear, it would be making lots of noise. And it's probably a bird. Might be an eagle. That'd be amazing. See that? We're almost to the top. People camp up here, look. Look at that. Holy crap. Come here, baby. Why? Come look at this. There's a drop right there. That's freaky. You're my bodyguard. That is straight down. Amy won't come down the hill to come see this. That is awesome. That's all this is a lookout right here. I wish you would come see how far down that is. There's somebody's garbage down there. There's probably a bear right there. There's another. Looks like a clearing, like an animal path going down through there. Yeah, there's a game trail right there. I want to go up into those rocks up there. Let's go this way. See how far. I think there's another lookout. Look right there. Yeah, see, that's a game trail. See that? People walk down there though. Come on, it's all flat. You can't really see nothing out there. I have bear spray too. Might need to get it out. Yeah, see, they'll live under that rock down there. Let's go see if the smoke has cleared. No. That's pretty cool though. Can't see as good as when you're on top of the mountain over there though, on top of Brasstown Bald. I'm not walking up the hill. Check see that pile of rocks right there? I wish there was a trail out there. That seems to be the very top too.